alaikum and welcome. Today we are going to talk about communication and in particular public speaking. Whenever you want to sell an idea, you want to persuade a group of people, you have to speak on a platform where you address people, a group of people. And there are 7 items you need to always keep in mind. The first one is, in your approach, you must appear, at least you must be someone who's passionate about the issue of public speaking. Without passion, you will appear, you will come across as someone who's very cold. And if you do that, then your message will also appear to not touch the audience. And the number 2 is to know your topic. The topic you are talking about, the message you want people to get, that topic must be something you are very conversant with, something you understand in great detail. You cannot tell people about something you have just learned in the last 30 minutes. People will not get you very well.